f of a b c d and summation m 0 6 8 13 14 plus don't case 2 4 2 4 10 simplify SOP by using KMAP. Here we need to take SOP means sum of product by using KMAP and summation m and having a don't case. First we need to construct a one KMAP having a 16 variable means 2 raised to 4 variable 13 16 different variables. Take a bar b bar a bar b a b a b bar c bar d bar c bar d c d c bar d bar and take 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now this is min term and these values are taken as a 1 0 1 6 1 8 1 13 1 and these don't terms are taken as x 2 as x 4 as x 10 as x apart from all are 0. 1 is 0 3 is 0 0 0 0 0 0 and now we group the ones square octant and pairs according to which are placed. Now first we need to take squares. This is one square and this is another square and any other square once check there is no square and only having one, this is single. Now take equation y equal to, first consider this square means c bar d bar and these four are getting cancel each other and take c d bar is remaining and consider this square and taking these two and these two. First taking these two means a bar get cancel, b bar is remain, in this c bar get cancel, d bar is remains and last we take single one which is having a any pair with it and take it a single a b and c bar d. This is final our required simplification of this KMAP. And next taking QM method. Now taking a QM method for following function f of a b c d summation m 0 3 5 5 6 7 10 12 13 and don't case 2 9 15. Here QMAP having a rules and its regulations and taking a min terms according this sequences taking as a column wise like 0 3 5 6 7 as it is and taking its a binary form is 0 0 0 like 3 0 0 1 1 taking a mid terms 2 0 0 1 0 and group according to the which containing number of ones. For example, this is not containing any ones, all are having 0, taking it's a one group and containing only one number of 1 For example, 2 is containing only 1, and similarly taking a 2 containing binary function which containing only twos of 1. For example, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12 are containing 2 ones, and 7 and 13 are containing 3 ones, and lastly 15 midterm is containing 4 ones. Taking these as these are 5 groups according to the which containing number of ones, and in stage 2 we compare with n and n plus number of groups. For example, 0, 2 and 2 these, and these and 7, 13 with 15 we need to compare with each other. First of all, we take 0 as a 0 midterm containing only zeros. This is compared with the 2. For example, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is differ. 0, 0 is same. Only one term which differed. Now we need to take this as a exclamatory. Exclamatory means it's a bar which need to take containing and take it 0, 2. Similarly, is this zeroth line is over and taking 2 comparing with 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, and 0, 0, 1, 0 is compared with 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1 is only one term which differed in these 2 and 3 midterms. Take it as an exclamatory as exclamatory 2 and 3. Similarly, taking all groups with each other and getting this one, and stage 1 is comparing with this and this. For example, 0, 2 comparing with 3, 7 and all, and 2, 3 comparing with these 6 all, and these 3, 7 and 5, 7 is comparing with 7, 15 and 3, 15. Now for example, we take 2, 3 comparing with 3, 7. For example, 0, 0, 1 exclamatory, 0 exclamatory, 1, 1. We need to take compare 0. This is deferred, this is deferred. Two terms are deferred, therefore we don't take this one. This is not valid, and take 2, 3 and 6, 7. For example, 0, 0, 1 exclamatory, 2, 3, and 0, 1 exclamatory, 1, 5, no, it's 0, 0, 0, 1 exclamatory, 2, 3, and taking 0, 1 exclamatory, 6, 7, and comparing with each other. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 exclamatory, only one term which differed, and take it as a exclamatory, 1 exclamatory is as a 0, and take it these with these and these with these. Next, comparing with all these, and the one or two terms are not compared with each other. That term we need to take in midterms. This use is to reduce the equation as possible to lesser equation, and first taking which are not compared with any terms. For example, 0, 2 is not compared with any other terms, and like 2 and 10 is not compared with any other terms. 2 and 10 means which is not compared with any other terms, and take that all are in terms and midterms. 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13. Taking and which are is marked as a wrong mark, and 0 which containing b a bar b bar d bar 0 and 2 is not here, and b bar c d bar 2 and 10 is taking as a bar, and next a c d is with 13, and a b c bar 12 and 14, and a bar c 3 6 7, and b d 5 7 13. These two are, we need to take a column which containing single mark. For example, 0 column is taking only 1 mark, 3 column is taking only 1 mark, and 5 column is having only 1 mark, and 6 column is having only 1 mark, and 10 column having only 1 mark. You need to point out that one, and 12 is similarly having only 1 mark. And finally we wrote equation which containing only one mark, only 1 mark, a bar b bar d bar, and a bar c d bar b d and b c d bar is a final required equation for this KMAF method of simplification of function.